guys, so it's a gorgeous day today. There's a lot of cars driving by. It's a kind of a busy time of day, but this afternoon when I had a few hours, I wanted to get out here and do some spring cleanup in my front yard. I also have some primrose that I picked up at Home Depot recently that I really want to get in the ground. I've had good luck with my primrose in that area. I've had some that have come back for 3 years, which is really awesome. So I'm going to plant some of those. The tulips are starting to come up and I will show you those in a minute. That's what I'm going to do today and just get a few things done in the front. We've got a few nice days before some rain comes in for like 5 days. So there's a lot that I want to get done. I'm hoping I have time and I get everything that I need for my porch because I definitely want to switch it over. I've still got my winter wreaths up and some winter trees, and I just want to make it nice and fun for spring. So that will probably be in another video though. Today I'm just going to take care of the spring cleanup and plant those flowers, and I'll probably, if I have time, plant up a little spring pot to go on the front porch with some colder weather flowers. And it's just so exciting to have spring finally here. Okay, so I'm gonna get in. So these pansies I planted in the fall, last fall, and I am gonna do that every year. It's just so amazing. They get so big and beautiful when spring rolls around, and I can't wait for them to start really growing and pushing new flowers. If you follow me on my Go Polished page on Instagram, you'll know that I also planted a bunch of bulbs in here of some beautiful red and pink mix that I got from Costco. And as you can see, they're coming up nicely. I think there's 50 in here. I need to cut back some mums. I also need to cut back some other things. I think this is campanula and my lavender is cut back, but there's just a few things that I need to take care of. Extra water, so I went ahead and watered the pansies. It's been super windy for like 5 days, and the sun's going to be out for a couple more days, but then we'll have a lot of rain, so I just put a little bit of extra water on there. I love the pop of pink right now. It's making me so happy. Primroses are so beautiful, and I love the way it turned out. Can't wait for those tulips to start blooming. I also love these yew bushes in the front here. This is their 3rd year, and they've done really well. I need to figure out if I should plant something behind them this summer though, to just add a little more interest, but I can't really think of anything. And on my front porch, my trees are falling down. Just ignore those. I want to get a big tall planter right here to go in between these chairs to put some flowers in there. And so that is one of the things that I really want to work on. They'll mostly be in the shade, so probably some shade flowers, but I can't wait to figure that out and find something to go there. outside. You can probably hear the rain in the background. But my auto didn't work for some reason. I need to make sure I double check it every time I film because I've had that issue in a few of my videos, and I'll get better as I go. But look how beautiful these pots turned out. I love these light pink primroses with this yellow center, so pretty. And then these huge white pansies with the yellow center that kind of matches that. And then these blue flowers, I cannot remember what this is. I know it's a perennial, and I'm gonna plant it in my yard once I'm done with it in here. If you remember what this is, let me know. It's got these beautiful light blue flowers on the stem, and I just love this combo so much. I got this taller pot from At Home last year. It was like around fall time, and I love it. It's so cute. I'm glad I can finally pot it up. I have a couple of them actually. And then over here I have the same light pink with the yellow and the white pansies, and then this beautiful color here. It turns kind of more of a red than I thought it would. They start out a little bit of a deep, let's see, purple color. Look how pretty that is. So they get a little lighter, but I want to add a little more red in my garden this year anyway. I think that's so pretty. So thanks for watching me as I potted those up. Exciting to pot up the first spring flowers. The front turned out great too, even with just the little addition of those primroses. It looks so pretty, so I'll give you a little look here. But it's so exciting. It's raining, so it's gonna look beautiful and lush. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.